The attorney representing the 94 alleged sexual abuse victims connected to the Rochester Catholic Diocese is speaking out. This after a deposition of a former bishop was released to the public. And Tia Collins has more on why the attorney thinks this paves the way for more cases to be brought against the church.
The attorney for those victims saying today that the deposition reaffirms his position that former Bishop Matthew Clark could have been part of a cover-up within the Rochester Catholic Diocese.
Bishop Clark knew that there were quite a few pedophiles within his ranks, quite a few priests.
For the first time, we're seeing transcripts from a 3-hour-long deposition with former Bishop Matthew Clark. He was questioned by attorneys on sexual abuse within the Rochester Catholic Diocese. Clark testified that he knew several priests who were accused of sexual abuse, and in at least one case, a priest admitted the abuse to Clark. He said he allowed that priest to stay in the ministry after, quote, rehabilitation.
I think that what was stated in the deposition reinforces the public's view that the Catholic Church just covered up the wholesale sexual abuse of children for decades upon decades upon decades.
The former Bishop Clark was diagnosed with Alzheimer's in 2019, and the Diocese of Rochester's released a statement questioning the accuracy of Clark's memory, saying, as a result of these limitations, the deposition is in many instances imprecise and inaccurate, and thus calls into question whether it is credible addition to the bankruptcy case record. The attorney represents 94 of the diocese's alleged victims, and he believes hearing the testimony will help his clients.
Victims, when they're abused as a child, deal with being abused for the rest of their lives, and hearing the truth will help them cope. Seeing the truth written in print will help them cope.
Hundreds who accused the diocese sued in civil courts, but those cases are now on hold because of the bankruptcy case, and the attorney believes that this deposition will help push those cases forward. Reporting in Rochester, Tia Collins, News 8.
Thanks, Tia. The Rochester Diocese filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy last September. Coming up.